So welcome to our teaching classroom. This is one of the fun areas where the kids gather every day when our teachers get to teach them the lesson. And one of the fun things we're doing on the Great Jungle Journey is when the kids come to their classroom time, we're pretending that we all are going to get inside the boat and we're heading to our next stop on our journey. So we made kind of a simple front end of a boat here. What we did is we bought some paneling, 4x8 sheets of paneling, and then just curved it a little bit. We put some boards. We have a piece on either side. Okay, so one piece of paneling here, one piece of paneling here with a board going down the middle. There's a board here and a board here and a board there, and it just kind of gives you a bit of an idea of the nose of a boat, and that paneling is nice and flexible to be able to kind of curve it like we have there. I just put some cardboard on top to make it look like a railing. Then we ordered this ship's wheel online and attached it with a large bolt to a 4x4 and a base so that the teacher can pretend like they're driving the kids on down to the next spot. And then of course we have our backdrop here, which we made to look like a jungle river. You may want to make your own, or you may want to use the scene setters that are available. So this is our river that we're heading out into the jungle, and then just some graphic panels on either side. We made a little topper to that. That is just some jungle roll paper that you can attach to cardboard like we did, and we bumped that out a few inches. About 6 inches from the backdrop, just to give it a little more dimension, and attach some of the fringe curtain to it as well. So this gives us our standard backdrop for our teachers that are taking the kids down the Jungle River cruise. But you notice on the sides we added a few things, some tropical plants, some palm trees, some animals, even some regular plants, potted plants that we were able to put. On this side we did the same thing with some tropical looking rocks and tropical looking plants, just to create this fun teaching zone that the kids come into and hear the message for the day.